All right. So for this next call, we're headed to a no heat call. And unfortunately, I have no information on this call. I don't know if it's a new system. I don't know if it's old. I don't know if it's blowing cold air. All I know is that the customer called us saying that he doesn't have any heat. So once again, we'll see what's going on here once we get to the job site. All right. So here we are. Under this luxurious crawl space. Don't you think? All right. Sounds like it's just the fan kicking on. Pretty sure this is the master bedroom. Yeah. This is cold. This is lukewarm. This one's new. It might be this one right here. We'll see what this one does. Actually, that's the older one. So this one's given a high limit switch E33. Open high limit switch EE3. Y'all can see this filter is extremely impacted. So I think we had a lack of airflow. After the high limit switch, resetting that, I was able to reset the system. We're gonna boot it up. Inducer motor kicks. We got the igniter glowing cherry red. After that, we'll hear another click for the gas valve. Before I reset the furnace, I'm gonna do a combustion analysis. I wonder if the gas valve is just overfired. Right after that 90. Thermostat's already calling for heat. I'm also going to jump this one out because I see that, well, actually they're not. Let me see. Yeah, they're actually wired together. So I wonder if both of the exhausts are causing some type of issue. I guess there is no call from the thermostat. There should be. 71, I put it on like 80. Just go jump it out. So far everything seems to be in range. So I got this thing fired up. I'm going to back off on the gas pressure because the temperatures on that flue pipe were kind of getting high, pushing 400. I forgot to record, but we're backing off the gas on the gas valve. We were at 370. Now we're see that flue temperature is dropping. We're at 367 and decreasing. Now we're at 359.1, 0.2, 0.0. I'm gonna 358. I'm gonna back it off a little bit, just a hair. Let this thing settle. Alright, so now we're down to 354.5, slowly going down. It's kind of hovering around that area. Carbon hasn't moved at all, so this thing's very efficient. It's just burning a little hot. So we had to back it off. It was tripping this pressure switch here in the back. I'm pretty happy where we're at right now. I'll dock it off one more hair, and then that's gonna be it. Anyway, I'm gonna button this up. I appreciate you guys watching. You have a blessed day. Bye.